Unlock the secrets to manifesting your desires as Dolores Cannon reveals the powerful forces shaping your reality. Dive into the world of manifestation and discover why some dreams remain elusive. Join us as we explore the profound wisdom of Dolores Cannon and uncover the hidden barriers that may be holding you back from manifesting your deepest desires. Are you ready to embrace the transformative journey of self-discovery and unlock your limitless potential? Dive in and let's uncover the magic behind manifestation together. Dolores Cannon was a pioneering figure in the field of hypnotherapy and metaphysics, known for her groundbreaking work in past life regression and exploring the depths of the human mind. Her contributions to the understanding of consciousness, reincarnation, and the metaphysical aspects of our existence have left an indelible mark on the world of spirituality and self-discovery. Vibrational alignment, the heart of manifestation. At the core of Dolores Cannon's teachings lies the concept of vibrational alignment. This principle underscores the profound connection between our thoughts, emotions, and their interaction with the quantum field, which shapes our reality. Cannon believed that everything in the universe is energy, including our thoughts, emotions, and intentions. When we are in a state of vibrational alignment, our thoughts and emotions are in harmony with our desires. Think of it as tuning in to the right frequency. Negative emotions emit a low-frequency signal into the quantum field, attracting similar negative experiences. On the other hand, positive emotions like gratitude, joy, and love elevate our vibrational frequency, acting like magnets for experiences that resonate with these higher frequencies. Cannon emphasized the importance of emotional coherence, where the heart and brain are in sync. Practices such as meditation and mindfulness help achieve this state by allowing you to release negative emotions and focus on positive ones. This coherence sends a clear and coherent signal to the quantum field, effectively requesting the universe to align circumstances and opportunities with your vibrational frequency. Vivid visualization. Painting your desired reality. Visualization is a cornerstone of manifestation, and Dolores Cannon stressed its importance. It involves using your imagination to create a vivid mental image of the reality you wish to manifest. The idea here is that your brain cannot distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and an actual physical one. Cannon's approach to vivid visualization involves several steps. Start with setting clear and specific intentions for what you want to manifest. Find a quiet distraction, free space to close your eyes and relax. As you visualize, engage all your senses to make the experience as real and detailed as possible. Importantly, allow yourself to feel the associated emotions as if your goals have already been achieved. Consistency is key here. Dedicating time each day to vividly visualize your desires strengthens the neural connections associated with them, making them more tangible. Unwavering belief. The bridge to manifestation. Belief is the bridge connecting your current reality to the one you intend to manifest. Cannon emphasized that belief is not a passive state, but a dynamic force that shapes your experiences. When you doubt or harbor skepticism, these negative emotions can act as roadblocks in your manifestation journey. To cultivate unwavering belief, Cannon suggested using affirmations to reinforce your belief in your manifestations. Write down your goals as if they have already happened, affirming your confidence in their realization. During your visualization sessions, visualize yourself confidently and joyfully living your desired reality. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your belief in the power of manifestation, as this reinforces your belief system. A manifestation journal is a valuable tool for tracking your progress and celebrating your successes. By documenting each step of your manifestation journey, you strengthen your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Profound gratitude. Opening the doors of abundance. According to Dolores Cannon, Gratitude is a powerful state of being that aligns you with the abundance of the universe. Cannon described it as more than just a fleeting emotion. It's a frequency that opens doors you might not have been aware of. When you express deep gratitude for what you already have, you raise your vibrational frequency and establish a profound connection with the quantum field. Cannon recommended various practices to cultivate profound gratitude. These include starting or ending your day with a gratitude ritual, expressing your gratitude either silently or through journaling, and sharing your gratitude with others. Even in challenging situations, try to shift your perspective to focus on the positive aspects, as there are often valuable lessons to be learned. Spending time in nature and connecting with the beauty and abundance of the natural world is another way to evoke feelings of profound gratitude. Incorporating gratitude into your meditation practice can further enhance your sense of gratitude and connection with the universe. Inspired action. Co-creating your reality. While the previous signs are crucial, Dolores Cannon emphasized that manifestation is not a passive process. It requires taking inspired action. Inspired action involves listening to your inner guidance and recognizing when you are in vibrational alignment. According to Dolores Cannon, pay close attention to your intuition and gut feelings, as these often guide you towards inspired actions that align with your goals. Inspired actions typically feel effortless and in alignment with your purpose. When you receive an inspired idea or opportunity, don't hesitate to take the initial step. Action begets more action, and the universe responds to movement. Manifestation is a co-creative process where you set intentions, raise your vibrational frequency, hold unwavering belief, express profound gratitude, and then take inspired action. This dynamic interaction with the universe can lead you to manifest your desires in ways you may have never imagined. Dolores Cannon's teachings on manifestation emphasize the importance of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires to effectively manifest them. However, she also acknowledged that there can be various reasons why some people may struggle to manifest their desires. Here are some possible reasons according to Cannon's teachings. Lack of belief or doubt. One of the primary reasons people may not manifest their desires is a lack of belief or persistent doubt. If you don't truly believe that what you want is possible, or if you harbor doubts about your ability to manifest it, these negative emotions can interfere with the process. Cannon stressed the importance of cultivating unwavering belief in your ability to manifest as a critical step in the process. Negative emotions. Negative emotions such as fear, anxiety, and anger emit low-frequency vibrational signals into the quantum field, which can attract more negative experiences into your life. These emotions can create a vibrational mismatch with your desires, making it challenging to manifest them. To counter this, Cannon recommended focusing on cultivating positive emotions like gratitude, joy, and love to raise your vibrational frequency. Inconsistent practice. Manifestation is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process that requires consistency. If you only sporadically practice techniques like visualization, emotional coherence, or gratitude, it may take longer to see results. Consistency is key to rewiring your thought patterns and emotions to align with your desires. Lack of clarity. If your intentions and desires are vague or not well defined, it can be challenging for the universe to respond to your requests. Cannon emphasized the importance of setting clear and specific intentions for what you want to manifest. The more precise your intentions, the easier it becomes to recognize inspired actions that align with your goals. Resistance to change. Some individuals may unconsciously resist change or hold on to limiting beliefs and patterns that are contrary to their desires. This resistance can create internal conflicts and hinder the manifestation process. Cannon's teaching suggests that individuals need to identify and release any resistance or limiting beliefs that may be blocking their manifestations. Impatience. Manifestation may not always happen instantly, and impatience can disrupt the process. It's important to understand that the timing of manifestations can vary, and some desires may take longer to materialize than others. Impatience can lead to frustration and a focus on lack rather than abundance. External influences. Sometimes external factors such as negative environments, unsupportive relationships, or challenging life circumstances can impact your ability to manifest. Cannon encouraged individuals to surround themselves with like-minded, supportive individuals who share their beliefs in manifestation and to create a positive, nurturing environment. Unconscious programming. Our subconscious minds are often influenced by past experiences and conditioning. If you have deep-seated beliefs or traumas that contradict your desires, they can act as subconscious roadblocks. Cannon's work in past life regression aimed to uncover and address such deep-seated issues. Not taking inspired action. Manifestation is a co-creative process that also requires taking inspired action. If you receive intuitive guidance or opportunities but fail to act on them, you may slow down or obstruct the manifestation of your desires. Action is a vital component of the process. External interference. Cannon believed that sometimes external forces or entities could interfere with a person's manifestation process. This could include negative influences, energies, or even past life issues. In such cases, addressing these external factors may be necessary to clear the path for manifestation. Dolores Cannon's teachings on manifestation are grounded in the understanding of the interconnectedness of thoughts, emotions, and the quantum field. By aligning your vibrational frequency, vividly visualizing your desires, cultivating unwavering belief, expressing profound gratitude, and taking inspired action, you become a conscious co-creator of your reality. These principles, derived from Cannon's work, offer a comprehensive guide to manifesting your desires and unlocking your limitless potential in the journey of self-discovery and personal growth.